Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music on GarageBand. Let's begin by opening the application and selecting New Project. You can choose an empty project for full creative control or a template to jumpstart your ideas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the track area, control bar, and library. Understanding these elements is your first step to making great music. Now, let's dive into recording. To add a new track, simply click the plus icon. You can choose between a software instrument, like a piano or drum kit, or an audio track for vocals or live instruments. GarageBand offers hundreds of built-in sounds and loops to get you started. If you have a microphone or an electric guitar, connect it to your device and select the audio input to record your performance directly. Once you have some tracks, it's time to arrange and refine your music. You can easily drag and drop regions on the timeline to build your song's structure, moving verses, choruses, and bridges. Use the smart controls to fine-tune instrument sounds, adjusting parameters like reverb and equalization. For perfect timing, select your notes and apply quantization, which automatically aligns them to the beat, making your music sound professional. Finally, let's mix and share your masterpiece. Use the volume faders and pan controls for each track to create a balanced soundstage, ensuring every instrument is heard clearly. Experiment with built-in effects such as reverb, delay, and compression to add depth and polish. When your song is complete, go to the Share menu to export it in popular audio formats like MP3 or WAV, ready for the world to hear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.